Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music. Hi, and welcome to Eric Blackmon Music Bass. In this session, I will show you how I play one of the most famous funk bass lines ever. The bass riff from Thank You for Let Me Be Myself Again from Sly and the Family Stone. This riff was played by Larry Graham, who is credited with being the first musician to play slap-style bass. My bass is tuned EADG, or standard tuning for 4-string bass, and the key is E minor. So let's get started. In order to play the notes, I'm going to use my thumb and my index or middle finger to pluck. Okay, I'm going to use my thumb to hammer like this. So if I put my finger on a fret, it'll sound like that. I'm hammering at the base of the neck, the last fret, right there. And then I'm going to pluck, and I'll use my middle finger for this. Like that. I'll just get up under the string and pinch up. Like that. So we'll start by going to fret 7 on the E string, fret 5 on the A string, and then the fret 7. So that's. Then we'll go to the G string and go to fret 9 and pluck, then to fret 7, and then back to 9. So far we have this. So here's what we have so far. Then we'll go back to fret 5 on the A string, and that's 5 to 7. Then go back up and pluck again at fret 9 and 7. So here's what we have so far. We'll start over. Then we'll go to fret 5 on the A string, play that note, and hammer on to fret 7. And then we'll play the open E string, like that. Then we'll go back up and pluck. So here's the entire thing. That line will get us through most of the song. Now we've got one place where we have a break, and there's no bass, but we're going to add a couple of notes so that we can have something to play during that part. We'll play this. So that's at fret 5 on the A string, fret 7, and then the open E string. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now here's what that's going to sound like with the recording. Well, alright my friends, that's all we have to play in order to play along with Thank You for Letting Me Be Myself Again by Sly and the Family Stone on 4-string electric bass. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.